Hello everyone, this is MT1 and today I'm going to show you a package manager that you will need in your Windows if you have Windows 10 or 11 or even Windows Server 2022 up to 2025. Anyways, let's get into it and see if it's worth it or not. So first of all, this software is totally free and I heard of it from some popular articles and it should be safe. And yeah, you can download it from all these platforms, but for me, I'm just going to download it from this button, which is the server side. So once it's downloaded, let's go ahead and open that file up. Okay, so now you just click next, 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 just leave it like that, install. And here we are in the software. Let's check it out. So the first thing I ever seen when I open this software is this thing called software updates. Let's click on it. And here we can see those are my software that I have on PC, and it will allow me to update them all at once. So that's interesting. Now let's see a little bit of the UI. Here it gives you the name, and here it gives you the package ID. So it's the same thing as the name almost. And this one is the version. So the version you have and the version you are going to update to. And you just click here, update selected packages. But before that, I want to tell you that if you want a certain app to be ignored, you can just select it and then click ignore select packages, and it should be gone, as you can see. Now in case that you want to continue updating that software again, you go to managing ignored updates, and here it is. You just click reset list if you want to reset everything, or you just reset that single software that you want to reset. Anyways, we close this thing. So I'll give it a try and click update selected packages. To make sure you have it on the startup, so whenever you open your computer, it's going to check if there's updates for your apps. And once it checks, it's going to give you a notification, and then once you get the notification, you just click on it, and it brings you to that UI we was talking about few minutes earlier. Honestly, I find this app pretty helpful. Do you find it helpful too? Tell me in the comment section. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.